What's up, YouTube? My name is Paul. In today's video, we're gonna pull this engine out from that Odyssey for a customer. If you want to see this from the start to finish, stay tuned. I'll show you everything I've done to it. We got a 2016 Honda Odyssey that we wanted to repair, but then we had a customer want to buy the whole engine, transmission, cradle, pretty much the full assembly. So in this video, we're gonna drop this engine and let's see how fast I can get this done. It's a 12,000 mile engine, so we got to do the struts, do the fuel lines, coolant lines, remove the wheels, brakes, bleed everything because I don't want it dripping. But yeah, 2016 with just very low mileage, 12,100 something I think, and I got a clip in my phone. That thing got hit so hard that all this side buckled as well. I mean, I had a thought of repairing it, but it's just too far gone. It's not worth my time. I mean, it's not a lot of damage if you think about it, but it's really a lot of frame. And the front end is look as good as it looks. There's a dent on that bumper. Let's get this thing going. All right, so we ran some codes on this. As you can see, 12,106. And we're gonna clear him and see what comes back up. There's nothing wrong with the engine. It's the TPMS and ABS, which is probably because of the TPMS. We'll start this sucker up. I don't know how well you guys see this. I know the glare's kind of, maybe I'll put it down. So let it run for a second and then rescan the codes. See what comes up. Probably TPMS, may not because we didn't drive. So as you can see, no codes. All codes are literally not present. I mean, you can't see, there's nothing. The airbag is obvious. There's an airbag and the seatbelt's probably popped. And then since we cleared it, the TPMS won't figure it out until we actually drive it. I will show you guys the engine. Shut up with this guy. But as you can see, perfect, no kicking of any sort. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go, it's 11:55, I'm gonna go grab some lunch. And I think I can have this thing out within an hour, so I'll put you guys on time lapse and let's see if I can do that. Definitely took me a little longer than an hour, but as you will see, I was on the phone a few times. And then the biggest thing was that this guy right here. So if you have the car on the lift, you can't open the door all the way, so you can't really get in, so you have to kind of go over the seat and then under the dash. So yeah, that was 10 minutes. And then I think everything else went pretty good. I mean, you've seen all the mess, the coolant. Anytime you take off these rear pipes for the heater, it just makes a mess. I think I need to get something like one of those oil pumps to just evacuate all that stuff before I tear it down. But other than that, I mean, I'm getting a little rusty at this. I used to do this like within an hour. It would have been out, but I mean, I guess that's what getting older is. Maybe it's just I don't do this often enough. But really nice condition. Everything's good on it. The only clip that we did manage to break is this one. You see how I have two tabs? One is broken and it kind of goes. So that's the only thing I broke. Everything else is perfect. Nice and clean engine. Catalytic converters included, suspension, hoses, pretty much full assembly. So this thing will just go right back in the other Odyssey. 12,000, and the guy that's buying it, I think his is a little over 100, and he needed the engine. Jonathan, calm down, I'm taking the video. His was over 100, so this would be perfect. Just like, look at these calipers or the rotors, brand spanking new. Look at the brake pads, new. Axle new, all these, no cracks. Everything's nice and clean. Pumps new. Struts, shocks would be new. I mean, 12,000. So I think it's a win-win, and for whatever he's paying for this, I think it's well worth it. So if you have an older car and you're looking for something like this, let us know. We try to buy cars with low mileage, older vehicles especially, to be able to help out guys that, you know, own vans like this, and something happened to an engine, you know, having it to rebuild might be cheaper, but again, you're rebuilding it, so nothing really changed. But in this case, all of his moving components are swapped, and you pretty much got a car for another 5-6 years. If you drive really little mileage a year, you're pretty much set for a couple years, especially with the new car prices out there. So yep, a little rusty, but I got it. Nice and clean, and this front clip is available as well. I will put all of that back. I just did it because it's easier to reach to the condenser to undo the hoses, and then it's easier when you actually are able to ply that out. It's easier that way, but I mean, you don't really have to drop that. I just think it's easier. But if somebody's looking for a clip, that bumper has some damage on it, but these Honda bumpers like 900 bucks retail, 8 something wholesale. I mean, Honda's bumpers are becoming a little too crazy in my opinion. So if you're looking for a clip, the hood's nice, has some residue from tree sap or whatever that was. So yeah, low mileage, beautiful vehicle. Obviously was looked as an option to be repaired, but it's not worth the time. There's really no reason to repair it. I mean, the value of the vehicle itself will not justify all the labor, and then like having such a large, like I could possibly get another like that one, the whole frame, and just swap everything over. Yes, but then I play with VIN numbers and highway patrol, so then you have to like re-VIN the whole thing. It's not worth it. It's not. If it was something like exotic, I definitely would do it, but with this thing is not exotic. New tires, literally new tires. So I got 3 good wheels. Actually, all 4 are good. Yeah, all 4 tires are good. That wheel, I'm not sure. It might be bent, but it has a good hatch on it. If you guys are looking for something, let us know. It will be good door, nice, clean, beautiful interior. Headphones, never used. You got your DVD, airbags. The only one that's blown is the curtain in the seat. Rear panels, does have a vacuum on this one. I actually had to steal that latch off that door for another project. But these are plastic. This is the SE model. Another good wheel. That wheel is good. Or if you need the locking wheel nuts, let us know. We had brand spanking new set in this car. So yeah. Appreciate everybody watching. I hope this was fun for you to watch. If not, sorry. That's all I've been doing. But this engine is going to Dallas, so I will be, the customer requested us to deliver it. I got some other things to pick up at Dallas, so I guess we're gonna make it a round trip. Deliver this engine. I am not sure how they're gonna unload it. He said he does not have a forklift, so probably an engine hoist would be fine. It might be a little too heavy for it, but I'm sure we'll break something up. It won't be my first time, so. Turned out amazing. I'm really excited. So, give me a thumbs up, share, comment, let me know what you guys think. And if you want to see more stuff, let me know what you're looking for, and we'll kind of go from there. Appreciate everybody watching. Bye.